Now our today's study of properties of colloidal solution. Various type properties of the colloidal solution. Today we are study of electrical properties of colloidal particles or colloidal solution. The colloid particle are dispersed phase carry sometime positive or negative charge on their surface. We explain electrical properties of colloidal particle by the three concepts. First, due to fractional electrification, the dispersed phase and dispersion medium strike to each other. Due to this collision, sometime dispersed phase carries a charge. Number two, due to dissociation of molecules. In the case of the type of the colloidal solution, we are study of formation of micellization. In case of here C17H35 COONA, sodium stearate, that is the formula of soap. When it used in a water, it ionizes in C17H35 COONA positive. C17H35, that is the called tail, and COO carboxylate part is called head. The carboxylate part is a hydrophilic and hydrocarbon C17H35 is a hydrophobic part. When state ions in a water itself is oriented in the pattern, the hydrophobic part away to water and hydrophilic part toward side of the water, then carboxylate COO toward side of the water, and at CMC critical micellization concentration and at Kraft temperature, the soap change into micelle particle, and the size of this micelle particle just like to colloidal particle, then this soap solution turn into colloidal solution. When the micelle is prepared at CMC and Kraft temperature, then the surfaces carry negative charge. Then that is also the cause why the colloid particle carries a charge. But in case of last, due to selective adsorption of ions, that is a concept on the basis of adsorption process. In case of the adsorption process, we explain this concept why this simple experiment. What is experiment? That is here one is a taking arsenic oxide aqueous solution, arsenic oxide As2O3, and pass is a gas H2S hydrogen sulfide. When H2S gas is a pass, the arsenic oxide As2O3 in a water react with H2S and formation of arsenic sulfide yellow colored colloidal particle plus water molecules, then it appear in yellow color. The yellow color due to presence of arsenic sulfide. When H2A gas pass in a arsenic oxide aqueous solution, that is a weak electrolyte, and ionize in a H ions and sulfide ions. The arsenic sulfide particle As2S3 carries a two type ions, arsenic and sulfide ions. Then why this concept? Due to selective adsorption of ions on their surface. Why the colloid particles? The colloid particle only adsorb arsenic or sulfide ions. When the pass of the hydrogen sulfide, it ionizes hydrogen and sulfide ions. Then the sulfide particles sulfide ions adsorb on the arsenic sulfide particles. Then arsenic sulfide turn into negative charge colloid particles. That is the cause why the arsenic sulfide is a negative charge. One particle is a negatively charged, then definitely the second particles of arsenic sulfide is a negatively charged. The negative charge and negative charge repel to always each other. When they are repelled, then colloid particle always in a motion. That is the cause why the colloid particle always is a mobile. Another is, we explain this concept by the another example. The example here is, we taken of the potassium iodide solution Ki and added is a dilute solution of silver nitrate. Ki is a electrolyte. It always ionize in a potassium and iodide ions. That Ki we have as a dispersion medium and silver nitrate we have as a dispersed phase. When silver nitrate AgNO3 aqueous solution added in a potassium iodide solution, what will be happen? Here is what is a combine react and form is a, one is a particle silver iodide, second is a potassium nitrate. The silver iodide AgI appearance is a yellow color. The silver iodide have two type ions, one is a silver, second is a iodide ions. So which type ions adsorbed by the silver iodide? We taken here aqueous solution of potassium iodide, it behave as a dispersion medium. Then iodide ions is a excess and we added 1 or 2 or 3 drop of silver nitrate. The silver nitrate consume whole with Ki and form is a silver iodide particle. The silver ions not available here. Who is available? Only iodide ions is available here in dispersion medium. Then silver iodide adsorb iodide ions on their surface. When it adsorb iodide ions on their surface, then this is turned into negative charge particles. तो आपका जो सिल्वर आयोडाइड है वह कैसा हो गया? नेगेटिव चार्ज हो गया. अब आपको इस कॉन्सेप्ट में हम दूसरे हिस्से में ले चलते हैं. इफ वी टेक इन हियर सिल्वर नाइट्रेट एज ए डिस्पर्सन मीडियम, इट मीन्स इट इज अ एक्सेस अमाउंट एंड वी एडेड इज अ पोटेशियम आयोडाइड solution dilute. What will be happen? Here is a excess is a silver nitrate. It have the two type ions, silver ions, second is a nitrate ions. When potassium iodide added in a silver nitrate, definitely same process happen here. Who is formed? Silver nitrate combined with or react with Ki and form is a yellow color particle of silver iodide and potassium nitrate. The silver iodide particles adsorb selectively ions. The silver iodide have the two type ions. One is a silver ion, second is a iodide ions. When potassium iodide added in a silver nitrate, the iodide ions combine with the silver and form the silver iodide. Then iodide ions is a completely consumed for formation of silver iodide particles. So who is available here? Only silver ions available here, excess. Then silver iodide adsorb silver ions on their surface. Then silver iodide particles is here positively charged. It means the silver iodide positively charged or negatively charged. It depend on which type ions are adsorbed on their surface. The all silver iodide here is the positively charged. They are repelled to each other. Then colloid particle always is the mobile. We explain that the particle is a positively charged. Why? The migration of colloid particle in applied of electrical field, that is called electroforces. What is the means of electroforces? In case of the electroforces, that is the U-shaped apparatus, and here is two electrode, one and second. One is a positive terminal, second is a negative terminal, and taken here solution. The solution is arsenic sulfide. Arsenic sulfide, in case of the study of preparation of yellow color colloidal solution of arsenic sulfide, the arsenic sulfide carries a negative charge. When we take in arsenic sulfide colloid particle in U-shaped apparatus, so always the intensity of yellow color similar in whole solution. When electric current is pass, when the electric current is pass, the arsenic sulfide moving from toward side of the positively charged electrode, that is called anode. When arsenic sulfide is moving toward side of the positive electrode, then definitely the arsenic sulfide carry is a negative charge due to adsorbed sulfide ions on their surface. When arsenic sulfide moving toward side of the positive electrode, the intensity at the positive electrode increase, and away to positive electrode intensity of yellow color is a decrease. That means definitely the arsenic sulfide particles carry is a negative charge, and this process called electrophorese. It means why this concept electrophorese, we are observe the colloid particle negative charge or positive charge. Again, in case of the electrophorese, when we take in of the arsenic sulfide yellow color colloidal solution, then when electric current is pass, the arsenic sulfide particle moving toward side of the positive electrode, and intensity of whole solution is changing, and toward side of the positive electrode the arsenic sulfide particle is collected, then intensity is increased toward side of the positive electrode, and away to positive electrode intensity of yellow color solution is decreased. When that is the process where is the arsenic sulfide or colloid particle are dispersed phase moving from one electrode to another electrode. That concept explain the colloid particle is sometime carry negative charge or positive charge. Thank you.